I thought I'd take a few seconds and show you just how quick and easy it is to be able to add logos and names to your wallets using the new Studio Retouching palette. If you look on our palette, you can see we've got an Add Logos here. This expands down. If you can't see it, just click the down arrow or the plus arrow if you're on a PC, and it'll expand that for you. Now we have our choice of Add Logo 5.7, 8x10, and Wallets. We're going to go ahead and click on our Add Logo to Wallets. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to double click here, and it's going to ask us to pick out a logo file. So I'm just going to go out to my network. We only have to do this once, unless you want to take and change logos, but you can do that very, very quick and easily. So we're going to navigate out to my print logos here. I'm going to select a logo, click open, and you can see now it's actually built a logo brush for me right on the fly. Want to be able to take and add the logo? All I have to do is hold my Alt or Option key, select a color that I want to use for my logo, and I can simply take and apply the logo. Well, as you can see, I've got several other files open here, so I want to take and apply it to those, but I'm going to hold my Command key, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click on my Add Logos, and what it's going to do is actually going through and actually applied guidelines on every one of those images for me. Now all I have to do is I can go from one image to the next. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to click and apply the logo. Let's click on the next file. Again, so we select a color and apply the logo. Click on our next one, select a color, apply a logo. Next file, select a color, and apply a logo. This one, and apply our logo. So you can see how quickly we can actually go through and we can apply logos to our files. Well, let's say that we want to go back and I want to add a name to a wallet. We can do that just as easily. All we need to do is click our Add Names to Wallets. It brings up a text dialog box for us. Just double click on the T on our layers. It highlights our text. We're going to go ahead and type in the name that we want to add. Let's put a year on there. And we'll go ahead and let's change the font. So we can go in here and select a different font. Let's go in and select this font. That looks great. We can even take and make this 10 a little larger there. We're going to make this one about 130 point. Make that larger right there, just like that. That looks great. I commit it. Double click our palette key again, and you can see it automatically just builds us a name for the wallet. We just simply select the color and apply the name on the wallet. It's that easy to apply the names on the wallets. We've got another one of Tammy in here, so we can go in there right here. This one's Tammy. Let's go ahead and we'll select this yellow color, and we can now apply the wallet. So you can see how quickly and easily we can create brushes right on the fly to apply logos and custom names on all of our images. We've been using the new Ron NIchols Studio Retouching palette.